Construction firms in Singapore will find it easier to get advance payments for government projects if they face COVID-19 delays. The lifeline is among recent measures that include letting them bring in uncertified China workers to get their papers in Singapore instead. The moves will cushion the impact of tighter border restrictions with India that's affecting manpower supply. Bringing forward payments will help the firms with public sector construction contracts worth up to $100 million. They will receive 0.1% of the contract sum monthly to cover the cost of delays without having to file appeals. Right now, they can claim 0.2% of the contract sum, but only if they show the paperwork. Firms say the move will give them much-needed cash flow more quickly.
It is all about dollars and cents, paying our contractors on time. So we experienced before, we cannot claim the 0.2% fast enough because I think authority, they ask for a lot of documentation, which we cannot provide in time.
49 more days will also be added to deadlines for those working on certain public sector projects. And that's on top of the 122 days right now. At the same time, employers may also hire workers from China without first getting certification from an overseas testing centre. Many are still closed. So for 6 months starting next Friday, they can get papers in Singapore instead.
It widens our scope when it comes to recruitment and bringing down the lead time. However, bringing in PRC, their salary are much higher due to their specialized skills. So we can expedite on our reinforced concreting works, but then not all our trades are using PRC. So it helps, but it's not entirely helpful to the industry.
A lot of Chinese workers don't want to come anymore because their economy is also actually doing better. Perhaps maybe Singapore is not so attractive to them as a destination to work for these construction workers. And of course, having said that, I think the number of people going into the industry doing construction work has also less over time.